Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to grab NordVPN but don't want to pay full price, you're in the right place. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 so you can lock in your subscription at the best price. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that saves you the most. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPN services worldwide. With thousands of servers, lightning fast speeds, advanced threat protection, and the to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing on public Wi Fi, NordVPN keeps your connection private and secure. Here are the coupon codes you can try: NORD83OFF. Save up to 83% off 2-year plans. NORD4 free. Get 4 months free with long-term subscriptions. VPN 2025 flat 20% off for new customers this year. Save 15% off annual subscriptions. Bundle 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another, and one of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN coupon codes like this won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your online privacy today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.